Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Energy Planet Powerbank from Movespeed. They sent this out for review, and I've been using it for the past couple weeks now, and it's actually a really great powerbank. Nice design here. I kind of like the just look of it with the markings and everything on it. Very simple powerbank. This is a 130 watt powerbank with 25,000 milliamp hour capacity on it. Now that is 130 watts divided among the ports. So the USB-C ports are limited to 100 watts each, and if you're using both of them at the same time, it's 65 and 65. So it does divide those up depending on how you're using it. I'll leave a link down below to the Amazon page, and that describes the port outputs for depending on how many devices you have plugged in, whether it's 1, 2, or 3. It will give you the breakdown on how much power you get per port with each number of devices. We have a power button right here, so you tap that, you do get a little display there. It is kind of flickery on the camera. It is not like that in person. That is just the refresh rate of the camera causing that. So we are going to plug in my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 here, and we're just going to show you guys the display and charging. Now the Z Flip 5 does not do power delivery 2.0, so we're not going to get extremely fast speeds here, but you can see here on the display we have the battery percentage, we have the fact that it is charging with power delivery, and then, or sorry, not power delivery, we have the time remaining, and then we have the we have the volts, amps, and time right there. Sorry, I had to look at it again. But so we're charging 9.6 volts, 2 amps, and we have 4 hours and 14 minutes remaining on the battery at this charge rate. So it gives you that information right there, and when you plug this into a power source to charge the power bank, it also tells you the input as well, how many volts and amps it's inputting, and the charge time remaining for the power bank itself. So very, very handy. And then as soon as you unplug it, it turns the screen off. So that's one thing I like about this power bank, is the screen will remain on while it is charging something, and it will remain on while it is being charged, and then it immediately turns off. And if you just want to check the battery percentage while you're not using it, you just tap the power button and that will come on for a few seconds and then go back off. So very, very nice power bank here. It charges pretty quickly. I've been able to charge it about 50 to 60 watts using my Anchor USB-C charging hub. So it charges at about 60 watts. I haven't really tried it on much more than that, but about an hour and a half to 2 hours, depending on the battery level. I've run it down to about I want to say 20-ish%, 20-30%, and then I usually top it back up, and it takes about an hour and 20 minutes from there. So not too bad at all. It did save me in a pinch the other day when my power went out at 3 in the morning. I used this to charge my phone back up. So very good power bank, works very well. It retails for about $75, which is not too bad for a 130 watt power bank that is capable of charging laptops, tablets, all that kind of stuff. So I will leave that link down below where you can pick one of these up. Makes a nice little gift for people on the go. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.